Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore the tag suggestion feature of this plugin. So I am in info settings page of one of my video, and here you can see I have uploaded video and I have updated title and description. Now I am in the tag section part. So here I have to fill the tags for my video, and the video is how to see saved password in browsers such as Chrome and Mozilla. So if you have any password which saved on your browser, you can easily see that. I'm going to explain about see the password that you have saved on your Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So that was the thing which I have explained in this video, and I need to create a tag for this one. So I will type see saved password. So as soon as I type, it started fetching the keyword and it give me an auto suggestion feature. So this keyword that you can see right here are the keyword which was searched already by the YouTube viewers, and it only suggests those search query in the related search term. So you can explore or you can pick the one which matches with your video. So here it suggests me see saved Wi-Fi password Android without router. So this is not relevant to my video, so I should type more to explore more about the tags. So here it suggested how to see saved password on Chrome. I have typed see saved password on Chrome, but the real user who are coming to YouTube are searching for the term how to see saved password on Chrome. So this feature is an insta suggest in a TubeBuddy. So all you need to do is just click on this plus button to add this to this tag, and you can see that that's get added. And this is a separate portion. This is a related tag, and you can do so many stuff with your tag, and we are going to explore that shortly. So let me type another keyword. So here you can see view passwords in Chrome. So this matches with my YouTube video, so I can pick that one. And here if you scroll down, view password in Chrome, here there is a subtle difference between this keyword and this keyword. Here view passwords in Chrome and here view password in Chrome. So even people can search this search query. So if you want to add, you can add this one. So it's this insta suggest feature is if you have some tags in your mind and you want to know what the real user was searching on YouTube, and this insta suggest feature will help you to explore the exact keyword that was searched by the user who are on YouTube. So this is all about the insta suggest feature, and you can explore more about it, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.